Start with the practice set 1.5 fifth example. Two types of the boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck. They are placing A and B type of the boxes having the capacity of 10 ton. Means that truck has the capacity 10 tons. But they are placing the A and B type of the boxes in the truck. The weight of the one box of the A is different and weight of the another box of the B is different. Then what conditions are given? This is the first condition and this is the second condition. When 150 box of A type and 100 box of B types are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. And 260 boxes of A type and 40 boxes of B types are loaded in the truck, the weight is 10 tons. Means every time the weight is same, 10 tons, but the number of boxes are fluctuating. Means if in one condition A type of boxes are more and B type of boxes are less, but in another condition the B types of boxes are more and A type of boxes are less. According to that, you have to find out the weight of each type of the boxes. There are two types of the boxes. Then I will consider, let this you have to find out, that you have to consider. Let weight of A type of the boxes be X tons. Directly you have to consider as a ton, not kg. And weight of B type of the boxes will be Y tons. Everybody understand? This is the one box weight. According to that, from the condition 1, weight of 150 box of A type. If weight of weight of A type of the box, one box, weight of A type of one box is X tons, then you have to find out weight of 150 box of A type is equal to 150 multiplied by X is equal to 150X. And weight of one box of B type is equal to Y tons. The weight of 100 box of B type is equal to 100 multiplied by Y is equal to 100Y. And their total weight, this weight plus this weight is equal to 10 tons. That's why first condition is 150X plus 100Y is equal to 10 tons. And from that, you have to strike this 0. Otherwise, you have to divide both sides by 10. From that, you will get the 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. This is the equation 1. Everybody understand? Then you have to start with the condition second. But when 250 box of A type, if weight of A type of the one box is equal to X tons, weight of 260 box of A type is equal to 260 multiplied by X is equal to 260X. And 40 boxes of B type, the weight of one box of B type is equal to Y ton, weight of 40 boxes of the B type is equal to 40 multiplied by Y is equal to 40Y. And if you will add this and this type of the box, that type, the capacity of the truck will come, and that one is the 10 tons. And you have to add this. After adding, you have to strike these zeros, otherwise you have to divide both sides by 10. At that time, new equation will form 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. Here, this is the first equation, this one is the first equation, this one is the second equation. You have to equate the coefficient of y. If you want to equate the coefficient of y, at that time, equation 1 multiplied by 4 and equation 2 multiplied by 10 you have to write. And in the same sign you have to do the subtraction. After multiplying, our equation will come, this will come 60x plus 40y is equal to 4. So 60x plus 40y is equal to 10. Once you will give the minus sign, this plus become minus, this plus become minus, and this plus become minus. Here you have to use the rule. If one number is positive, another one is negative, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. Plus 60 minus 260 is equal to 200x. Plus 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6. If you have to transpose this minus 200 that side, multiplied by 200 becomes minus, divided by minus 200. This minus sign will get cancelled, and what will come? 6 upon 200. X is equal to, you have to divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 200s are. At that time, the weight of A type of the box 3 upon 100 tons will come. You have to put this value of X in any equation. I will put in equation 1. At that time, 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. And 15 multiplied by X value is 3 upon 100. You have to put that value 3 upon 100 and find out the value of y. This will come 15 3s are 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. Collect the numeric terms together. Plus 14 upon 100 become minus 14 upon 400. Then you have to do the cross multiplication because denominator is 1. After multiplying by 1, 100 multiplied by 1 and 45 multiplied by 1, 100 minus 45 upon 100. This multiplied by 10 you have to transpose downside. This 10 means 10 upon 1 multiplied by y. You have to shift the reciprocal and this will be multiplied by 1 upon 10 means 55 multiplied by 1 is equal to 55. 100 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000 tons. Means weight of B type of box is equal to 1 box is equal to 55 upon 1000 tons. But you have to convert it into the kgs. At that time we have one conversion. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. This you have to keep in your mind or in the notebook. In the front page of your name, you have to write this 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Then weight of A type of the box is equal to X is equal to 3 upon 100 tons. You have to convert it into the kg. 3 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 kg is equal to, you have to strike these zeros. At that time 30 kg will come. In the same manner, weight of B type of the box is equal to Y is equal to 55 upon 1000 tons and is equal to 55 upon 1000 multiplied by 1000 kgs. This will come in kg and after that 55 kg will come, and from that you have to say that weight of A type of the box is equal to 30 kg and weight of B type of the box is equal to 55 kg. Everybody understand? And you have to, I already solved all the examples, only one example remain that you have to solve at home and complete the homework. I think you understand these things, you have to write all these things properly. Thank you.